When America had learned that German scientists were working on creating stronger and more powerful bombs using nuclear fusion, they quickly began to stockpile uranium and plutonium and other rare and radioactive ores. On October 9, 1941, President Franklin D. Roosevelt, Vice President Henry Wallace, and the head of the National Defense Research Committee came together and approved of the atomic bomb program. With the help of Britain and Canada, they began planning on how they would test nuclear weapons. On August 13, 1942, scientists, physicists, engineers, and other great minds of the Allied force were called upon to lead this task. It was given the name Manhattan Project. After years of experimenting and testing, eventually two types of nuclear bombs are created: the gun type and the implosion type. The gun type method involves shooting one piece of subcritical material into another to cause a detonation, like a gun. This type of bomb contained uranium. To create an implosion type bomb, uranium was irradiated and transmuted into plutonium. The plutonium was then chemically separated from the uranium. This type of bomb would implode on detonation. On July 16, 1945, the first nuclear bomb was set off in the Giordano del Muerto Desert. It was given the code name Trinity. 1 month later, 2 atom bombs were dropped on major Japan city islands, Hiroshima and Nagasaki. The bombs that were dropped were called Little Boy and Fat Man. The bombs vaporized the entire cities in the blink of an eye, killing tens of thousands. Many Americans and people from around the world questioned whether or not dropping the nukes was the right thing to do. To many, it just seemed like America was killing innocent civilians, and this was the first time anything like this was used before. But according to President Truman, the bombs were dropped to ensure a haste surrender of Japan, to end the war quickly, and to prevent more American lives from dying. Julius Robert Oppenheimer, the head of the nuclear project, also known as the father of the atom bomb, later said, "I am become death, the destroyer of worlds," to quote Bhagavad Gita.